Don from Humble has a question about flood recovery.
Yeah, he was affected by Imelda.
Imelda?
Yeah, he had like 5 inches in his house, and he has 3 questions for you.
Okay.
So Don writes, 2 feet of drywall and insulation were removed, and the restoration company cut and ripped some of the insulation down, so I would have to stuff it up underneath.
Okay.
I was told that I had to overlap and tape it together for it to work. Is that true?
No, just stuff it up underneath. Stuff it. Put a little, just get some extra up in there and shove it in so if it's a little compressed a little bit for a few inches and it doesn't fall, you're good. Okay. Keep it simple. You don't have to try to tape it.
I know Christopher's going to want this for the Christmas reel. Okay, so help me with this. How do I stuff it up? There it is. Okay.
Just get it up in there and make sure it's all packed up in there.
He collects all our little hand gestures and edits them together in music. So
Nice.
I know that was too good a one to let go. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so Don has another. He says the blue foam exterior, that they put up.
Which I hate to begin with, but go ahead.
But he has it, and so we love it.
Yes.
Anyway, he says before they put the brick, has about a ½ inch gap in places. And he says, does that matter?
Well, it wasn't put on right, but what are you going to do about it? It's been there forever.
Well, he's wondering, should he tape it in those places and all?
If you wanted to. No, taping's not going to do any good. After these floods, Charlie, we start with Harvey, and even before that, people open their walls up and they go, oh my goodness, this is the way my house was built. Mm-hmm. But it is. It's been there. Some of these homes have been there for 40 years. Don't get OCD on everything. Right. Just put it back together and live your life. I hate to see this. People get so particular about trying to make their homes perfect. You're not going to.
Well, it's funny you should say that.
Yes.
Because Don's third question. Don's third question is says, when soldering copper pipes, the plumber burned through some blue foam right here, as you can see right here, when he burned away here.
Yeah. That's nice. The plumber was going at it.
I don't know what he was using, an arc welder or what, when he soldered this. I mean, look at the side of the wall is burnt.
Well, that stuff will just, with the heat, it kind of just goes away. It doesn't even burn. It just kind of dissipates.
I'm sure it was just as exciting for the plumber.
Yes.
All right. He says so he wants to know, should you do anything about that?
First off, copper's good pipe.
Yeah, it's great.
So you got good copper pipe, that's fine. Now, if you want to take some of that extra insulation that we shoved up the wall,
how do we
shove it in that hole right there?
How do we do it? We shoved it up. Okay.
Take some and shove it in there and then put the wall back together. I'm good with it. That's all you need to do. Keep it simple. And just if you want to put some extra scrap insulation from the other part of your house, that's fine. And I'm really sorry you went through a flood like that. That's just no fun at all.
No kidding. Yeah, we do these videos to help you and amuse ourselves. So thank you for
I do like my job.
Participating in our video. All right, do you have a question? Would you like to give us something to gesture about? Go ahead and send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom form. Fill it out. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.